In Altium Designer, the component clearance rule specifies the minimum allowable distance between components on the PCB. With this rule applied, there is enough space between components to prevent electrical and physical interference. As a result, short circuits or other potential issues are avoided during the manufacturing and assembly processes. In this video, we will learn how to set and verify component clearance rules. We will now create a design rule which targets components of a specific footprint. In our example, the Anderson relay connectors. While still in the PCB, open the PCB Rules and Constraints editor. Select the Design menu, then Rules. We can also use keyboard shortcut keys D and R. Let's navigate to the Placement section and add a new component clearance rule. Give it an appropriate name. From the first query, select Footprint, followed by the Anderson black. From the second query, select Footprint, and then select the Anderson red. Set the minimum horizontal clearance to 100 mils. Click OK to create the rule and close the editor. Now let's verify the applied rules in the PCB. First, we need to ensure that online DRCs are enabled. To do this, we need to open Preferences. Under the PCB Editor branch, open the General page. Ensure that online DRC is enabled. Click OK to close the preferences. Hit Shift-C to clear any masks or selection. While moving the components, hit the R key to change the component pushing mode to Push Ignore, as indicated in the heads-up display. This mode allows us, for this training situation, to create DRC errors for component placement. Moving the relays will remove or add the green highlight, depending on the distance between each other based on the new component clearance constraint rule. Drag relay 1 and place it as close as possible to the second relay. It will be clear when the placement violations appear, as the components will be highlighted in green. This can be clearly visible in the 3D view mode. Drag the footprint away from one another. While dragging, hit the R key to change the component pushing mode to Push, as indicated in the heads-up display. Now try to place them close as possible. Notice the components will not move any closer than the specified clearance design rule. This tutorial covered how to create and verify component clearance rules.